Hello, boys and girls. Today I am going to read a chapter from this National Geographic book called Squeak. It's 100 fun facts about hamsters, mice, guinea pigs, and more, and the author is Rose Davidson. I thought this would be good for you guys. So while I'm reading, I want you to look for text features. You guys know what text features are: titles, bolded words, captions, pictures, graphs. All of those things are text features which help us understand what we're reading. So while I'm reading today, I want you to look for at least 3 text features that you see. Okay. Chapter 1, Rodents Rule. Rodents are the largest group of mammals on Earth. By digging tunnels, prairie dogs mix up soil, which helps plants to grow. Rodents are real-life superheroes of the animal kingdom. Prairie dogs help keep the soil healthy. Beavers build dams that form new habitats. Rats even detect diseases, which help save human lives. About 40% of all mammals are rodents. Mammals are warm-blooded animals with hair. They give birth to young and they nurse their babies with milk. Here it says rats can swim for 3 days straight. Oh my, that's a long time, 3 days. I couldn't swim 3 minutes straight right now. Rodents' teeth never stop growing. If there's one thing that sets rodents apart from other kinds of mammals is their chompers. Rodents cut things with special front teeth called incisors. The incisors grow for their entire lives. These teeth help them survive. Rodents keep their incisors sharp and short by gnawing on wood and other tough plant matter. A naked mole rat can move its incisors one at a time and work with them like a pair of chopsticks. Most rodents have 16 teeth, 8 on the top, 8 on the bottom. All but 4 are so far back they're hard to see. The name rodent comes from the Latin word for gnaw. And I want you to notice this word gnawing. It starts with G, G-N-A-W. Rodents come in many sizes. African pygmy mice weigh about the same as a wooden pencil. They live in dry areas where they stack pebbles outside their burrows. The pebbles collect dew overnight. In the morning, when the mice wake up, they lick the dew to get water. That's pretty creative. Capybaras, however, are the giant of the rodent world. These South American rodents can grow to be the size of some large dogs, more than 150 pounds. They live in herds of up to 20 individuals. Wow, I would run if I ever saw that. Chapter 2, Amazing Abilities. Rodents are some of the animal world's most skilled problem solvers. Have you ever watched a squirrel snag the seeds from inside a bird feeder? Then you've seen a rodent's problem-solving skills in action. Some rodents try out new solutions to a problem until they find one that works. They can remember how to solve a specific problem, like how to push or pull a lever to open a door, for years after they have solved it. The wiring of a mouse's brain changes when it learns a new skill. Rats can find their way out of mazes. Rats to the rescue. Oh, I'm so sorry. I skipped a page. Rats get a bad rap, but there are plenty of good things you may not know about them. Rats are super smart. Scientists consider rats to be some of the most intelligent rodents. Some studies show that they can learn to count. They can even tell when another rat is hurt just by looking at its face. In this picture, it says a pet rat named Finn and Tofu learned how to ride a surfboard in Hawaii. This is here, a group of rats is called a mischief. That's an interesting word for a group of rats. Rats to the rescue. Rats use their superb sniffers to save human lives. Rats aren't just good at looking out for each other, their talents can help people too. Rat noses are top-notch. With proper training, they can sniff out diseases like tuberculosis and find things hidden deep underground. African giant pouch rats use their sense of smell to detect landmines buried in the dirt. Because they don't weigh much, the rats can walk over the mines without setting them off. Rats have the second highest number of genes that help them identify a smell. African elephants have the highest. Wow, that was pretty interesting. I hope you were able to identify some text features from what I read. I will make a second video later today with the last two chapters. Have a good one, guys.